Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Loop USA channel. Today I am sharing my low carb coconut balls recipe. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe and share. Let's make it. I add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to a pan. I add 1 cup of desiccated coconut and fry on medium heat till it becomes fragrant. Now I add 5.4 ounce of coconut butter, one-fourth cup monk fruit sweetener, I stir until it starts to come off the sides of the pan. I transfer it to a plate and let it cool. I scoop out a tablespoon of the mixture and make a ball. I rolled the balls in desiccated coconut. I place the coconut bites in the fridge for 15 minutes to set. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or freeze. Thanks for watching. Take care.